Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device so SleepView can record meaningful data. Enable sleep tracking and grant sensors and background activity permissions. This lets the app run overnight. Open the SleepView app or its Sleep tab and make sure your wearable or phone is connected. Once done, set a basic sleep window. This is the first actionable step to get useful readings. You'll see immediate indicators. Tap them to confirm data flow and to avoid missing the first night of recording. You now configure tracking details to capture accurate metrics. Choose between fixed start/end times or automatic detection. Automatic helps if your schedule varies. Enable advanced metrics like heart rate and movement so SleepView can calculate sleep stages and disruptions. Adjust sensitivity to avoid false positives from light movement and set Do Not Disturb schedules so notifications won't interfere. Once configured, run a short test nap or use the simulator if available. This validates settings before relying on overnight data. You finish by reviewing results and acting on what you find. Open the dashboard to interpret sleep stages, continuity, and your overall score. These explain how restorative the night was and why. Export or sync reports to track trends across weeks and use comparisons to spot patterns. If data is missing or inaccurate, restart the tracking service, repair your device, and verify permissions and battery optimization settings. These fixes resolve most issues. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.